Creek Connections is an outreach organization based out of Allegheny College in Meadville, Pennsylvania, that provides hands on, inquiry based investigation of local waterways to regional K through 12 schools. We provide free experiences and activities that turn waterways into outdoor environmental laboratories. While our roots are in Meadville, Pennsylvania, and French Creek, we also work with teachers and students in the Pittsburgh area and have been for over 20 years. As you can see, we are all connected through waterways. We can flow from Mill Run in Meadville all the way to the Ohio River. Healthy waterways are important, which is why we assist students and their teachers in assessing the health of local waterways through assessing chemical and biological parameters of waterways. We provide water chemistry testing kits and aquatic macroinvertebrate collection equipment free of charge. Creek Connections addresses lots of other environmental topics and often works with other local, state, and federal experts that we can connect to students and their teachers. We're always interested in adding new teachers to our program, so if you're interested, reach out to us. We provide lots of information and activities on our website, whether you work with us or not. Teachers can rent any of our 18 modules for free. Our modules contain theme specific activities and resources for all grade levels and provide hands on investigation of different topics such as wetlands and stream geology. While we might not be meeting in person in the near future, we can still get into local creeks and connect virtually with students and their teachers. We can monitor the creek's health through water chemistry testing and collecting and identifying of aquatic macroinvertebrates. Creek Connection staff and interns are available to connect teachers and their students with their local creek or river in real time or by video. Let's work it out together.